everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I finally got this bad boy in the mail. This is the Boxycharm Base Box for the month of April. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm super excited to see what I got in this box. I don't know about you guys, but it seems like the Boxycharm boxes have been coming later and later every single month. It is April 21st and I'm literally just getting my box now, and I've been seeing on like the makeup subscription feeds that, you know, a lot of people still haven't even got their boxes yet. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm happy I finally got my box. I'm super excited to see what I got for the month of April. So we're gonna dig in a second, but before I dig in, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel, as I am a new YouTuber on YouTube. So welcome all, welcome back. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related, hence the name Aisha Loves Makeup. I just love trying new stuff. Especially like makeup, but beauty products, so hair products, skincare products, sometimes like more makeup than anything. And I found out about makeup subscription boxes, and it's been like the best thing that's ever happened to me, because now I can try so much stuff out for half the price. I was buying all this stuff full price. And then I was like, hold up a second. These makeup subscriptions, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. So if you're someone that's, you know, a new makeup artist, someone who's trying to build their kit, these are things that you want to subscribe to, because when I tell you your kit will be slamming in a matter of no time, this is what you need to do. Now, I already have a lot of stuff, so I should not be even getting these, but like I said, I like to try new stuff. So here I am nevertheless. If you are curious what box you should get, then my channel is going to be great for you, because you get to see lots of different types of makeup boxes, subscription boxes on my channel. So today we're doing Boxycharm, which is one of my favorite subscription boxes. They have a base box, they have a premium box, and they have a luxe box. The base box is like the starter box, which is $25 a month. They have a premium box, which is supposed to be like premium items, is a little bit more. That is $35 a month, and then they have a luxe, which is like $49.99 a month, which I rounded off to $50 a month. The luxe box is not every single month, and then when you do get the luxe box will replace your premium box. This is just the base, the starter one. So let's see what I got. Alrighty. So when you open up the base boxes, they're normally red inside. The premium boxes are normally blue inside. I have a beautiful card in here. And then this is your sneak peek. Alrighty, so let's see what we have in here now. Alrighty, so I like the card that they have. It's like candy on the cover. And then it tells you like what you are getting in your box. They really didn't have like the prices. They skipped it a couple of times, but I'm happy to see that they are back on track for giving the cards with the prices and a little description about the items now. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so the base box is 5 items. The premium box you normally get 6. And what I like about Boxycharm is everything is full size, because some makeup subscription boxes you do get like deluxe size, sample size, but Boxycharm is always, they never give sample size, they always give full sizes, which is great. So let's see here. So the first thing I got is a Manna Kadar Beauty Pluck It Tweezers. So this is what they look like. I have so much tweezers, but Your girl's still gonna keep it because I'm always losing my tweezers. So I'm gonna keep this just because you can never have too much tweezers. But I've definitely gotten an array of tweezers from Boxycharm already. So nothing that's wowing me, nothing that I haven't seen already. But like I said, I'm gonna definitely use it because we could all use an extra pair of tweezers. I know what this is. The Natasha Denona palette. Yes. So, if you want me to be honest, like, because I'm always honest, the colors is not wowing your girl. Like, this is the colors. They're all neutral colors. They're not, like, wowing me. I think I just get a Natasha Denona palette in one of my, I want to say I did in one of my other subscriptions, but I just get, oh, yes, you see? So, who gave me this? This was, I think, in my premium. Was this in my premium? Yes, this was in my Boxycharm premium, and this was in my base. So I got two to Natasha Denona, sorry, so excited I can't talk. Two Natasha Denona palettes in the same month for April. So, and I think I've got from Ipsy as well. So they normally don't give like the big Natasha Denona palettes. They normally give like these, which come with 6 colors. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. So this was from my premium, this was from my base. So super excited I get to try 2 palettes out. I haven't even tried this one out yet. I have all this stuff here that I have to try, and who knows when I'll get to it. I got this iconic palette in my Boxycharm premium box. This is beautiful, can't wait to try this for my April box. Tons of stuff here that I have to try out, and eventually I'll get to them, but palettes definitely excite me. So super excited to get this palette. That palette retails for $48. So like I said, this box only cost me $25. And right off the bat, I already got something that's $48. So that overpassed the price of the box. Then I got tweezers that retail for 18 bucks. Alrighty, so far I'm liking everything. The next thing I got is, what is this? A mascara by Queen. I've never heard of this brand before. So it must be some type of, like indie brand. I like the packaging. Is this a dragon? It looks like there's like little dragons on the packaging. So you guys can see. Hold on, let me try to get it clear. There you go. There you go. All right, so this mascara retails for $18. It's a volumizing, lengthening, and separating mascara. Your girl has tons of mascaras. I feel like in all the subscription boxes, you always get either an eyeliner, a mascara. So I will never have to buy an eyeliner mascara ever, 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 ever again. Super appreciative of that. So I always just, when I can't find a mascara, I just open like a new one because I have so much. So excited for that. You know, we could always, nothing that I'm like for, but you could always use a mascara. Alrighty, so I got a Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer, silicone free and cool affecting. So this is what the box looks like. I saw on like some threads, like some people said they didn't like the primer, but I'm gonna try it for myself because everybody has a different skin type. So what doesn't work for somebody may work for me. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how I feel about like it being like icy cool, like a primer that's icy cool. Oh my, wow, guys, do you guys see this? It's like real, it's pink first of all, and it looks like very silicone based. Oh my god, it's like weird. Oh my god, it feels cold. Did it say cooling effect? Oh my gosh, they was not lying when they said cooling effect. This feels like cold, which it feels actually really weird. But nice for the summertime when your face is feeling hot, I guess. But super excited for this. I'll let you guys know. It feels like silicone-y, but at the same time cooling. So very interesting. This must be one of their new primers because I don't recall them having a primer like this before. So it's cool to see Touch in Sol is branching off and having new primers. They're known for their primers, and they have like 3 or 4 different types that I've gotten so far just from being subscribed to Boxycharm. This primer retails for $32, so that's over the price of the box as well. And then I got, let's see if I can pronounce this properly, Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Mask for all skin types. That's what the box looks like. And this is what the product looks like. Vitamin C is supposed to be good for like evening out your skin, brightening your skin up. This retails for $36. I am going to give this away. You guys know the deal already. For everybody who's not new to my channel, my skin is very sensitive. When I do try stuff, like I break out. So it's like, why even put my skin through this? Like I have a YouTube channel. I'm not trying to come on here and look crazy with blemishes all over my face. I'm trying to, you know, look polished and chic. So I try not to use too much different skincare products. I'll try a new cleanser or exfoliator, primer, like stuff like that, but I don't get too edgy when it comes to trying new skincare. So I always just put that aside, and when I finally do my next giveaway, somebody will get that. So let's see everything that I got. I got the Vitamin C Serum. I got the Touch in Sol Icy Sherbet Primer. I got a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. I got a Queen. It's Qveen. So how would you pronounce that? Queen. Because Queen is Quen. This is Q. You know what? I'm not a spelling bee champion, so you know I'm not on here because I'm a spelling bee champion. You guys figure it out. You guys just wanted to figure it out. So I got that. And I got some, what do you call this? 2-piece tweezers. So super excited. What would I rate this box? Let me see. 1, I always rate it on how much makeup I get. 1, 2, 3. There's a primer count for makeup, I guess 4. So 4 makeup items. And 1 skincare item. Alright, I will give it an 8 out of 10 because not that I'm crazy about the palette, but like you can't go wrong with neutrals. The mascara can't be that bad. The girl on here, it really made her lashes look nice, but who's to say that it's gonna make our lashes look like that? I don't like to go just buy like a box. Because who's to say that's even a mascara she has on? Yeah, overall, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. I'm happy. If I would have just got this palette alone, I would have been happy. Because I love trying new palettes. Nevertheless, that is it for my Boxycharm Base Box for the month of April. What do you guys think? Do you guys like my box that I got? Super excited to try everything. If you haven't already and you're new to my channel, give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel. Give me a like. Give me a comment and subscribe. Show your girl some love. It's greatly appreciated. And subscribe if you like makeup subscription boxes and you're curious what each subscription gives. Subscribe to my channel. Become a part of my YouTube family. And I just want to give a quick shout out to everyone who has recently subscribed to me. I want to say last week I had like 21. I had 721 subscribers. And as of right now, I have, hold on, 806 subscribers. So I jumped like 78 subscribers in a matter of like a week. So that's amazing. Like you guys, I'm loving all the love and the support. Like, I don't know what I do to deserve such good subscribers. All my new subscribers who's been subscribing to me, you guys are the best, always leaving the best comments. And like, you guys are the reason why I have like a channel. Like, if I'm ever was to feel down or out, Like literally every day my phone is always going off with all my subscribers commenting to me. So I love that and it's always like positivity. Like I rarely get any negative comments. It's always positive feedback that I'm getting. So I know probably so eventually somebody's gonna, you know, there's always that one, but it's the majority of you guys are just so great and so positive. And I really honestly just want to take the time to say thank you. I really appreciate you guys showing your love and support, you know. My channel is growing and you guys are really supporting me and telling me I can't wait till you hit 1,000 subscribers. That is my goal, to hit 1,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I only need 200 more subscribers. Well, less than that because I have 800 and something subscribers. But like I'm almost there. So thank you guys for the encouragement. You guys are the reason why I keep going, why I continue to pump out my videos for you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Love and appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Next video, I'm doing my Ulta haul. I'm not playing, like literally, I keep buying stuff, so I'm like, let me just delay the video. I gotta just film the video. So next video, I will be doing my Ulta haul. It was $1,000 Ulta haul. Now it's like 1,500 at this point. And your girl, please don't let me go into that store anymore, guys. Please. If any of you guys ever see me in an Ulta standing at the door like, Aisha, do you really need that? Think about it. Do you need it? Because 9 times out of 10, I probably don't. Oh my gosh, I really just love trying new stuff. But nevertheless, that's really about it. Stay tuned for my next video. I love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.